Hey there Leos, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. This is your daily reading for 25th of July and it will be a general message for you. It can resonate you may or cannot. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. Let's start your reading, Leos. Underneath the deck you are having Knight of Cups. Someone is coming towards you. You are feeling left out in a cold, but someone is coming to show toward you to show their love and coming toward you with their apology. Maybe if you have broke up with your partner, so this person is coming toward you with their apology, or if you broke up with your person, you are showing your cup of love to you today, or there will be a new love is coming towards you. Strength, Seven of Swords, Three of Wands. So when you start your day, you are feeling very much strong. Maybe you are start your day with a gym or some kind of exercises, or you are getting stronger today, or you are getting strength in this relationship after this apology. So, or you need to be strong, or you are doing something to make yourself strong, or if you are down in your health, you are trying to be strong today. In the middle of the day, maybe you are doing some kind of sneaky thing behind the scene behind someone, or maybe it's a strategy you are planning behind the scenes in the middle of the day, or you are doing something secretively from your partner. It's not like that if you are cheating over someone, or if it can be for few of you, or maybe if this person is new love is coming towards you today, or someone showing their love towards you, if it's a new person, not a past person, so you are keeping this proposal to yourself, keeping this secret from other. So or if it's an apology coming from past person, you are also keeping this apology secret from others. So at the end of the day, Leo, whatever you were waiting for, it's happening now. You are seeing the ships are coming towards you, or things are at your hand at the end of the day. Whatever you were waiting for, the light you can see from the tunnel that you were waiting for this long time, but now you are today, and at the end of the day you will see the light is coming towards you. So let's see what is the Romance Angel Oracle message for you, Leos, for today. Two messages, maybe it's a three messages for you. Wedding, forgiving and darling. As you release and heal the past, you're expressing more love in your present moment. If this person is coming toward you after this breakup and offer their apology, so you have to forgive and learn. You have to heal your heart from this person, and it can be this relationship, this situation involves marriage. So maybe this is your partner who is you are in a marriage relationship with, or if it's a new love coming towards you, it will lead to towards a marriage. And faithfulness, the recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit to fun to shine. So if this is a new love you want to enter in your love life, so you have to be prayerful, and you should come out from this left out in a cold situation. You have to be strong to get this new love into your life. So Leos, that was your reading for today. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.